Are you facing a frustrating error while trying to use Express Load in your Node application? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers encounter with Node 8.0.0 and NPM 4.2.0. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your code just won't work, especially when you're trying to build something exciting. This specific error can really throw a wrench in your plans. Let's take a closer look at the situation. One user reported that when they tried to use Express Load with the command var load equals require express-load, they encountered a type error. The error message stated that require.extensions.hasOwnProperty is not a function. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what does this error mean? It typically indicates that the way Node handles module loading has changed in newer versions. This can happen when using outdated packages that rely on older Node functionalities. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the error with Express Load, the user should first check the compatibility of the Express Load package with Node.js version 8. This version of Node may not fully support the Express Load package as expected. Next, the user should consider updating their Node.js version to a more recent one. This can help avoid compatibility issues with various packages, including Express Load. After updating Node.js, the user should reinstall Express Load. This can be done by running the command to install Express Load again in the terminal. Finally, the user should test their application again to see if the error persists. If the issue is resolved, the application should run without any errors related to Express Load. Fun fact: did you know that Node.js was originally created to help developers build scalable network applications? It's come a long way since then, but sometimes we still run into bumps along the road. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who identified that the issue was caused by Gulp SVN. They found that Gulp SVN contained an outdated version of require.dir in its own Node modules folder. To fix this, they replaced the outdated require.dir with the latest version. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep your packages updated and check for compatibility with your Node version. This simple habit can save you from many frustrating errors. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Express Load error and get back to building your app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.